What's up guys, it's me Geek. So I'm gonna tell you how to set up the time. Go to the setting or just click the upper notification menu like this. Click one more time, swipe down and then click the setting icon, and then now let me set up the date and time. Okay, the date and time we have to set up in storage, security, accessibility. Okay, go to the accessibility, not accessibility, date. Okay, yeah, you need to go to the system. Extremely sorry, I just get confused a little bit. Okay, you need to go to the main set menu, go to the setting and go to the below system. When you click system and then click the date and time, you always choose the automatic. Wherever I travel, the time change automatically. But if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can manually change the time. So yeah, go to the setting, go to the down one system, click the date and time. Again, yeah, it was me, Jimmy Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.